My name's Louise Weller. I have coordinated the course and I've also just taught on the course. And both roles mean that I can give you as much information as you need about complementary healthcare and studying it here in Eastbourne.
So in the first year I teach nutrition and holistic health. So we're looking at the basic founding principles of nutrition, but also putting everything into a really holistic setting. So today, for example, we're looking at typical men's health issues, typical women's health issues, and also gender issues. And what I really like about this course is that there's two ways that it's assessed. And one of those ways is with a poster, with an academic poster which the students present, so they get to talk about something that they've researched that they're really interested in. And the other way is with a blog or an article for publication. So that's something really practical, because once we're out in the real world as therapists, we generally find that one of the best ways to advertise our businesses and get our name out there is through writing things like blogs and articles. So I thought it was really important that we had an aspect that taught people how to do that really well.
As massage therapists have a big role to play in helping people on a therapeutic basis, helping them relieve their musculoskeletal pains. So with this module we start to look more at the anatomy, start to understand a little bit more how that all comes together, and then also how the physiology of how the anatomy can go wrong or right as well. But more than that, I think also it's important as a massage therapist to be looking at the person as a whole person. So that's also looking at the psychological element, the social element, in terms of treating them as a whole person.
Built into the fabric of the course and built into the fabric of the college, there are lots of opportunities for students to be supported and feel supported as well. And if there's something that we've missed, we do encourage students to come and talk to us about it, and then we'll do the very best we can to put that in place for them. So we're very open people, we're very kind people, we like to do the best that we can. We want to see people do well, so we'll do what we can to make sure that happens.
The level 4 teach me a lot in terms of complementary, in depth with diet, nutrition, muscle, and how the body works, cells, and the traditional Chinese medicine, and more in depth with massage technique.
It's a really, really good course for people of 18 when they've done their A-levels and they're thinking, what am I going to do? I really want to help people, I don't want to be a nurse particularly, or people who are changing careers, or people that are coming out of the family route and are thinking, what am I going to do for the rest of my life? For all of you, this course is arranged time-wise, support-wise, expertise-wise, to help you A, get the qualification, and B, find a new course in life.